Welcome to another video in our Isla Mujeres series. In this video, we capture the first sunrise of 2024. So on the island, the New Year's celebration goes on literally all night long until the sun comes up on January 1st. You can see here, walking through the square, this is about an hour before the sunrise, and they're still going at it pretty good. So why celebrate all night long? Well, Isla Mujeres is the most eastern point in Mexico, so each day they are the first to see the sunrise in Mexico, and on January 1st, it's even more special. So I made my way over to the east side of the island and set up 2 cameras, and here's the time lapses I captured on January 1st, 2024. We'd love to hear down in the comments below which one of those versions you like the best. And also, as we explored around the island during the week, we placed some Getting Fresh Air stickers at various places. If you come across these stickers, we'd love to see you with a picture on our Facebook or Instagram pages. Alright, we'll see you in the next video, and we hope to see you out there getting fresh air.